Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me again. Yeah, I'm playing this again. Oh, okay. I was going to Sleepy Town. Another day in the game. Oh yeah, it's raining. I like the rain. It's rainy. You want this? I don't want to see why you like that, but okay. Blaze. Oh, I need some more fun. No, I can't do show. I'm not even gonna pronounce it. Yeah, let's get some cologne. Good morning, Shaggy. Good morning. The town was founded around a Sherwood Street. Is that right? You must feel so lucky to live in an important place. I do. Welcome. I like a cologne. Oh, cologne, how fashionable. Today's scent is rainbow. Daria. Okay, so Daria likes this. Good morning. Good morning. Are you growing any flowers? Yes. That's good. Shaw was right about you. I remember to treat them with love and care. Got it. Should take good care of them. Where are you going? Good morning. I'm sorry. This rain should make your crops happy. Good morning. The customer always comes first. Each one should be treated with courtesy and respect, but Karina keeps falling asleep while they're talking to her. Oh, Shaggy. I was going to say good morning. What about morning? Good morning! You don't love to take any moments with thunders. What do you now? Why? They're heavy. It's such a pain to carry on. Good morning, Shaggy. Good morning. If you're going to be eating a weapon bread recipe, you should really learn your foraging skills. Oh, and you need to make yourself familiar with each weapon you want to learn the recipe. Good morning, Shaggy. Good morning. Oh, what's the matter? So I heard you take care of it. I couldn't thank you. Did you get hurt? Good morning. Would you like a dose? Good morning. You've been really on my mind lately for some reason, huh? Even when I'm conducting experience in a dream, I'm tinkering with you, not Colette. Could it be a version of the future? No. What a wonderful weather. Good morning. Food. Odysseus food. Clammy sausages and custard. A catchy tune. Yes, it is my magnum opus, young squire. Good morning, Shaggy. Good morning. Oh, what a nice scent. Is that a cologne? Oh, she likes it too, I guess. Racking my brain trying to figure out why my new designs aren't selling. Oh, I don't think it's too hard to figure that out. As always, my apprentice fashionista comes through. Of course, they're not too pedestrian, not zany enough. Or I think you're plenty zany. I mean, sorry, they're not. Yeah. Good morning. Rain, I don't like. This access to me. Oh, we don't need to get into that. It's carefully made. Proof that they care whatever they made. No comment. The design is crazy. Again, no comment. Good evening, Shaggy. Good morning. Oh, Raven, this accessory isn't cute. How do you make them? Well, first you need silver. I see. Interesting. Actually pretty honest. Actually? Oh, Throw quotes have been around a fire for a long time. Oh, I already talked to you. Blaze. Ah, the rain, nature's blessing. Good morning. Welcome. I can study all the master chefs and recreate all their great dishes, but when it comes to my wife's cooking. He has a wife? Blaze has a wife. Rain? I'm not a fan. Good morning. Pumpkins are actually tasty, pretty good. I like pumpkin pie, but they are just so orange. It disturbs me. Morning, Shaggy. Good morning. You defeated the raccoon. Now I can eat my food in peace. You're welcome. I wonder who his wife is, actually. Oh, she's in the bath. Well, it's a nice day. Good morning. Welcome to Sakura's souvenir shop. Buy something. I can't. Since Pia came, dinner has been more lively. Meals taste so much better when the eating was good, although when sashimi gets served, it becomes a battlefield. I would imagine. What nice weather. Good morning, Shaggy. I heard you defeated the raccoon. Well, it should be fun. Nice to see someone with so much potential. Oh, you're welcome. It's morning, Shaggy. Good morning. Continuing the best of refreshments after best. Ah, the corn continuation from before. Number 2, fruit juice. Oh, I see. Number 1, squid. What? No, Daria! Slow down! No! Good morning, Shaggy. Good morning. Huh? You smell good. Is it dry sardines? I don't think so. Shaggy gave me flowers. Should I paint them rainbow colors and give them back to her? Why? As I was sitting by the fire. Sophia will. Maybe it's because I need to go fight. I don't know. I'll look for some more monies. Oh, nice weather. Good morning. I bought some flowers from Showa the other day. She gave me some special cologne. Her polite manner, kind voice. Carlos, do you? That allowed to teach me as a salesman. Yes. What's the matter? You like cologne? Come get closer. You scared me. I'll be right back. Yeah, it's still burning enough. Sorry, I have a fire going. I'm just a little worried about it. Who was I talking to? Oh, yeah, I was, check this out. Sarah, Colette, Karina, Sakia, Blaze, Rostwas, Carlos. Well. It's a nice day. Perfect for fishing. Hello. Not bad, Shaggy. I guess Dad is really happy. Rainbow! I like Rainbow. I guess I'll do, Sophia. Blaze. No, I'll do Sophia. Skill up! I bet you. Oh, yeah. Forgot. Oh, Sophia. Yeah, that was her. Oh, Shaggy, I didn't think you'd come. Can you bring me weeds? It only grows in special places. We want weeds available. Oh, I'm not in a hurry or anything. So please get to me ASAP. Oh, okay. She's even more confusing today. She just needs weeds. I'm on to her crazy schemes. I have no weeds. Like none. Jeez. Gotta go searching for weeds. Oh, here we go. I got some weeds. Coming, Sophia. I'm coming. Almost there. I'm gonna make it. Shaggy! No, you imbecile. This isn't what I asked for at all. Honestly, you can't do anything right. You seem pretty happy with someone who can't do anything right. Well, here's a reward for your troubles. Thank you, Shaggy. I'll never ask you for hope everything to work together again. So, sounds like a plan? That might have been the most confusion, and that's saying something. Oh, Evelyn. Hi, Evelyn. Oh, Shaggy. Oh, hi. From the looks of it, it seems you passed the test. Test? Yeah, she has such a strange habit. She sometimes just to understand her that. So she's a stranger? That was because no, yeah, I'm sorry if she upset you. She used to be such an honest girl. No, that's okay. I don't dislike her for the way she is now. Yeah, I actually thought you might say that, but you know, she's only does this with people she's taken a liking to. What? Oh, only rice. Yuck. Let's hope with something useful, like money. Oh, need a delivery. Can you come see me? I'll do this quickly because I have a fire going outside and I have to check on it. Oh, come on. No. Never mind. Welcome. Sorry, I've been waiting. Oh, but yeah, you ready, Pia? Yep, already. Would you mind coming with us? Okay, oh yeah. Well, I'd like to start now. Cough. Well, thank you all for coming today, huh? Please just sit down and make yourselves comfortable. Tuna should be come by too. But how would they be able to breathe? Well, I'm going to sing a song. Why? What? But you said you liked my song. Well, honestly, Pia, you need to follow the script. Yeah, I forgot that was Squid Show. Stand-up comedy. Is this part of the act? We don't have any extras, so we thought we could draw in people with stand-up. What did you think? Well, not bad. Well, I don't really need to ask. If only it was smarter, I could come up with you. You know, I heard there's medicine that could help. Oh, Pia, no! Yes, okay, I'm worried with medicine. Oh, I gotta go see her. I was hoping for a quick one. I guess it's not gonna be a quick one. What do you want? Your shot? That's the first thing I was not for. Is there any that makes you smart? You mean mental supplements? I guess it does make you smarter technically. What about it? Well, I want some is all. You mean you take the medicine? Well, you just make my day. I'll make it for you right away. Wait, I didn't ask you to. You just wait right there. She's not listening. It's done, Shaggy. Look how much you sense now. Give it a try. Oh, well, it's not for me. Wait, I don't need to get sent to you. I'm not seeing that. Well, just a water medicine. No, what I'm trying to say is... So, nothing seems to happen to me. Any tingling or poison? What do you... probably success, you know, I probably got one. It's not like anything I could tell right away. But it's probably safe to get Sakia. Well, she's the one who wanted the medicine to make you strong. I might have to come up with a new formula. Oh, of course she's not listening. I knew she wouldn't. Well, my body feels hot. Oh, what's this? I'm transforming. I need to get back to human form. Oh. Ah, so cute. Ah, I can't escape. What's going on? It's a monster. Yeah, but so cute. No, not that. But it's a monster, it's a monster. Stew it away. What? What if something happened to a customer? Oh, go on now. Ah. Oh, Shaggy. Huh, what's Mary doing? Maybe he's gonna make sure Character didn't text me. What? It seems like it creates an imbalance of Rune and G in the body. Grandma said that Shaggy might be okay, but Shaggy might not. Oh, that's why I transfer. Am I telling the truth? Oh! I just had to watch. I'm sure it was for someone else, wasn't it? Oh, well, I heard it was for you, Shaggy. Why do you have to mention that? I mean, what's that mean? Well, what's the one with that? Shaggy did all that for you. You're the one that was about before. Come on! Well, let's all calm down, Shaggy. Can you be quiet? I'm sorry. You want to say now? Why? They're all out again. Well, I'm going home. But then I'll go home too. Whew! Kind of intense and creepy gate business or a strange staff member. I'm pretty sure this is pretty unique with that name. Okay, that was all the events for today. So I guess I'd like to thank you for watching. Gonna go to bed now. So see y'all.